Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to my channel, and thank you so very much for joining me on my crafty adventure. Today, I have another beautiful project that I've created as part of the Shades of Beauty 3D Bow Card series. This time, I've used beautiful hues of blue, white, and black. To make this card, I used a gorgeous paper collection by Authentique called Glamour. Now this came out quite a few years ago, and unfortunately the Authentique paper line is no longer available. However, you can visit ASC Craft Supplies. You can reach them on the web or their Etsy store to find hundreds of beautiful cardstock. I also used the Crafter's Companion 3D bow template, and I did a full review of that. I'll be sure to include a link to that video in the description box below. I really love the way this card turned out, and I had so much fun decorating it. I really went all out with the beautiful bling. So this is the front. And here, front and center, we've got this beautiful image of these young ladies. They look like they could be sisters or perhaps best friends. We have this beautiful pearl rhinestone on the top of the frame, and on either side of the frame I have these beautiful florals. We have white satin, white roses. Here we have black and white polka dot. We have these stamens in blue, black, and white, and these little roses. I also love these little pearl circles. You can see it on this side as well. And of course, these beautiful, delicate buttercup flowers. The entire card is lined with this beautiful rhinestone. Let me turn it to the side. Here we have the first bow, which is covered in this beautiful blue rose paper. And in the larger circle, we have this geometric print in blue, white, and gray. This is the back. I've kept the back plain because I'll include a special dedication in my information. I'm going to adjust my camera so that I can give you a closer look. Here's a closer look at my card. You can see this beautiful pearl rhinestone in the center, these young ladies here. And on the left side, look at this beautiful floral spray. We've got some glittered tulle in the back. We have an ivory rose here, this black and white polka dot, these beautiful stamens in black, blue, and white. We have silk roses. These little butterflies. By the way, you may notice a little shimmer on them. I used my Crafter's Companion glitter ink. And then we have these dainty buttercup flowers here, and you can see the pearls. I also wanted to point out this beautiful pearl circle here. Isn't that pretty? And I repeated this floral spray on the right side of the card, just in the opposite direction. So here we have the tulle on the bottom, and the flowers are exactly the same, just opposite of this. And look at all of this beautiful rhinestone flanking the entire card. Okay, so let's take a look on the inside. I've covered this with a piece of white cardstock, and then this sentiment is from the paper collection. Keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing and there's so much to smile about. That is very, very true. Here's a final review of my 3D bow card using the beautiful Authentique Glamour paper collection. Please be sure to check back on my channel to see the other beautiful 3D bow cards that I've created as part of the Shades of Beauty card series. I've got some really beautiful things in store for you. Also, if you'd like to learn how to make the base of this 3D bow card, please be sure to watch my first video where I do a step-by-step tutorial assembling this project. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this project or any of the bows featured in this card series, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a message. I love hearing from you. Please feel free to give me suggestions on some projects that you'd like to see me create in the future. And last but not least, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel and you leave a comment, this really helps me as it allows more people to see my content. Please stay tuned for my next project. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.